If you're from a non-IT background, business analyst roles are hiring with the hybrid and work from opportunities. Just learn this 40 days course, no coding required, and you can move easily into the IT sector from non-IT, and AI will not be replaced this job. So to know more details about this, please do watch the entire video. Like I was saying that in order to become business analyst, we will be teaching you in the 40 days, and that too with practical, with real-time exposure. So I'm going to quickly walk you through what exactly in these 40 days I'm going to cover. I recently made a video explaining about the course curriculum. Please do watch that video. Anyways, I'm going to quickly walk you through what exactly I'm going to cover. So anyone who was aspiring to become business analyst, first thing is they need to have a domain knowledge. So in the market, the trending and popular domains were healthcare and banking. So the most openings for business analyst will be seeing in the market from these two domains. So I'm going to cover each one of these, any one of these domain, and followed by real-time project. So this real-time project is very important because in the interview they will be asking you what kind of project that you have did in your previous companies. So we will be teaching you the real-time project. From that, we will be explaining you what exactly BA does in work environment point of view. Okay, all these SDLC, Agile documentation skills, stakeholder management, requirement gathering and elicitation, requirement analysis, BRD, FRD, JIRA, user stories, UML diagrams, wireframes, mockups, UAT testing, test case creation, how to do the migration, and in MS Excel, and post-production deployment support, what is RACI matrix and requirement traceability matrix, behavior scenarios topics, like how do you handle change request, SQL basics, and the tools wise we are going to cover MS Word, Confluence, Jira, MS Visio, Balsamic, Pencil, MS Excel, and SQL. All these I'm going to teach you in the 40 days course. And like I was saying that in the beginning of this beginning of this video, yes. So uh, the business analyst openings will be mostly for experienced on hybrid or completely work from home. Okay. So mode of work for business analyst will be mode of work will be either hybrid or work from home. In order to get work from home opportunities, you need to be patient because the calls will not be frequent. But when you determine and focus you, definitely you will get a jobs in work from home opportunity as well. Okay, but for sure, hybrid roles are still companies were following, and a business analyst can easily do the hybrid mode of work. So many of them think that a BA will be requiring to be in person in the office because business analyst will be bridges the gap between many people. It's not like that, guys. It depends on the company, okay? But for sure, BA nowadays companies were following hybrid and or work from home. Okay, that I can say. And 40 days course, so interested candidates can contact this number. And in order to become this business analyst, no coding needed. First of all, no coding needed. So uh, un basically, many people think that to get into the IT sector, at least a programming language is needed. But in order to become business analyst, there is no such mandatory skill. Okay, only thing you need to be familiar with the tools and the domain knowledge and few techniques. That is more than enough in order to become business analyst. Okay, and how will be the packages? So packages for experienced, let's assume that 4 years of experience, the companies are ready to pay 12 to 14 LPA, which is almost equivalent to what developers are drawing the salary. Yes, even though we are not doing any coding, the companies were ready to pay us with 4 years of experience up to 12 to 14 LPA. Yes. And is it suitable to transition the career from non-IT to the IT sector or those who are having career gap? Absolutely, guys. So, the non-IT experience which you have, you can easily convert that experience and become a business analyst, but it requires real-time experience. Okay, real-time business analyst experience you need when you are planning to transition your career from non-IT to the IT sector, converting that experience and wanting to increase your salary 2x or 3x, then it all requires real-time business analyst what exactly does. So that's where we are going to involve and help you with gaining the real-time experience. So I'm saying that this is not going to be basic training. It's going to be real-time training. Exactly what BA does in the work environment, we are going to cover on that aspect. Okay, with the domain knowledge, everything we are going to cover. And one more thing is like, will AI will be replacing the job? Business analyst is one of the highly demanding job. Okay, and these jobs are not replaced by AI forever, I can say. Okay, AI will not be replacing BA jobs. I will also let you know the reason, because there are various reasons why AI will not replace BA. Because business analyst primary responsible for bridging the gap between the stakeholders and the IT team. And and also, business analyst does various things in the work environment in order to provide the solutions for the stakeholders. He do so much of research, and he will investigate on things, and he will overcome the problem that the project has been facing, and he or she will be the front face for the end users in tackling the issues. Okay, so there are many things to streamline the business. Business analyst is much needed. Without business analyst, I guarantee that no project will be successful. Okay, so let's assume that when you go into the when you go to the restaurant, obviously the waiter will be greeting you and collect the order. So suppose that job can be made by the robotics as well. But let's assume that if we say something to robo, will they able to bring the exactly the same requirement what we are expecting? Okay, from the kitchen team, from the kitchen, someone needs to be there for sure in order to provide or furnish the items to the robotics. Okay, robo is just going to give you the exactly what they are provided. So, but business analyst for the project, it is required for to provide the innovative ideas. Okay, AI will be only giving static ideas for the stakeholders, but in order to streamline, in order to get the project successful, the business analyst, product owner, these people will do so much of research, and they'll get the innovative ideas, and they'll propose it to the higher team, higher upper level team in the project, and they'll get the feedback and they'll get it done. So this is how where business analyst will be more keen for any project. Okay, so that's the reason there are no testimonials in the IT sector that the business analyst jobs are replaced or terminated. There are no testimonials, and they will not be exist in the future as well for sure. I guarantee that BA jobs are not replaceable. If you want a long-term career, then this job is very suitable for anyone. And uh, and uh, the next one is like uh, yeah, who all are eligible to become business analyst? Anyone who has holding bachelor's degree, or anyone with a career gap, or if you're planning to transition your career from non-IT to the IT sector, or if you're a fresher, if you hold any specialization in the graduation, it could be BCom, BTech, MTech, MCA, MBA, anyone can become, any graduate with specialization, with any specialization can become. And yeah, so yeah, and also the next factor I would like to speak is anyone, any employee who is working in the IT sector, in order to change their career or their job or their company, the right time was Jan to March. Okay, Jan to March period is very ideal for anyone to change their career or land another job, because Jan to March, the openings will be peak in the IT sector. The reason is the companies will bring new projects, they will have a new clients, and they definitely need new resources for to complete the projects. So in this period, they will look for many candidates, whoever holding the experience, whoever is not having experience, fresher point of view, they will be more focusing on them. Okay, so Jan to March is very ideal for anyone to get a job, transition your career, transition your career, or if you want to land your dream job, then this period is very ideal and suitable. And I have done research, and I came to know that the calls for business analysts were already started. So this is the right time, guys, for business analyst, especially if you're aspiring, if you want to get a job into the business analyst. The January to March is very golden period for anyone to grab an opportunity. Okay, so interested candidates can contact this number. So this is my contact number. You can contact me for business analyst course. So I'll be speaking to you personally, and we are starting new batch very soon. Thank you and have a great day. Please do subscribe.